Ibotta and traditional coupons save money in different ways, because Ibotta gives cash back after qualifying purchases, while coupons usually reduce the price before you pay. By the end, you'll know how Ibotta compares with regular coupons, when each method works best, and how to choose the option that fits your shopping habits. The simple answer is that neither method wins for every shopper. Coupons are usually better when you already have a discount for an item you plan to buy. Ibotta can be useful when you want cash back on eligible products and are willing to check offers before shopping. Traditional coupons are straightforward. You find a coupon, use it during checkout, and the discount is applied immediately. The benefit is easy to understand because you see the savings before completing the purchase. Ibotta works through offers inside the app. You check available deals, buy qualifying products, and submit the required proof of purchase when needed. The reward is added separately, instead of reducing your total at the register. The biggest difference is the shopping process. Coupons usually start with the product you want to buy and then look for a discount. Ibotta often requires checking the app first so you know which products have available offers. This means preparation matters more with Ibotta. Before going to the store, open the app, review current offers, and build your shopping list around deals that match products you actually need. Coupons can be better for shoppers who already collect discounts and want immediate price reductions. Ibotta can be better for shoppers who prefer earning rewards after purchases and are comfortable planning around available offers. Using both together can also make sense. A shopper might apply a coupon at checkout and use a cashback offer when both are available for the same purchase. The key is checking the rules for each offer before buying. The method that saves the most depends on your routine. Someone who rarely checks deals may get more value from simple coupons. Someone who regularly compares offers before shopping may get more value from using a cashback app. The main points are simple. Coupons lower your purchase price immediately. Ibotta rewards you after eligible purchases. The best choice depends on whether you prefer quick discounts or planning ahead for cashback opportunities. The next step is to compare both methods during your next grocery trip. Check your coupons, check available Ibotta offers, and see which one actually fits your shopping style. If this comparison helped, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other app comparisons before choosing your next money-saving tool.